Welcome to the world of abundance, a realm where dreams become reality, where desires are not just fulfilled, but exceeded. This is the playground of those who dare to dream big, those who refuse to settle for mediocrity. Close your eyes and envision your perfect life. Picture yourself strolling along the golden sands of a secluded beach, the warm sun kissing your skin. Imagine the thrill of driving down winding coastal roads in a sleek sports car, the wind tousling your hair as you embrace the freedom of the open road. You see, wealth is not just about material possessions. It is a state of mind, a reflection of the abundance that resides within each and every one of us. It is the freedom to live life on our own terms, to chart our own course amidst the vast expanse of existence. It's about waking up every morning with a sense of purpose and passion, knowing that you have the power to shape your destiny. But wealth isn't handed to you on a silver platter. It's earned through determination and unwavering belief in yourself. It's about setting audacious goals and relentlessly pursuing them, no matter the obstacles that may stand in your way. You possess within you the boundless potential to achieve greatness. You are the architects of your own destiny, the masters of your own fate. But remember, greatness is not bestowed upon the faint of heart. It is earned through sweat, tears, and the unyielding resolve to never surrender in the face of adversity. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. You possess within you the unlimited potential to create the life of your dreams. But first, you must dare to dream. You must believe in the power of your own imagination. Manifestation is a powerful tool that allows you to harness your thoughts, intentions, and actions to attract wealth into your life. It's about aligning your mindset with the abundance you seek, cultivating a sense of belief and expectancy that draws prosperity towards you like a magnet. But what exactly is manifestation? At its core, manifestation is the process of bringing your desires into reality through focused thought, intention, and action. It's about tapping into the infinite potential of the universe and co-creating the life of your dreams. Be crystal clear about what you desire, and let that clarity guide your thoughts, intentions, and actions. Focus your energy like a laser beam, directing it towards the realization of your dreams with unwavering determination. Let go of any doubts or fears that may hold you back, and instead, cultivate an unwavering sense of belief in your ability to create the life you desire. The power to create the life of your dreams lies within you. Harness your thoughts, intentions, and actions to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Every thought you think, every intention you set, and every action you take carries the potential to shape your reality. So dare to dream boldly. Dare to believe in the limitless abundance that surrounds you. Dare to envision the possibilities that await. Dare to envision the life you were born to live, and then dare to make it a reality. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you, those who believe in your dreams as fiercely as you do. And above all else, never lose sight of the incredible potential that lies within you. Believe in yourself. Believe in your ability to create the life you desire. And know that you are worthy of all the abundance that the universe has to offer. Trust in the divine timing of your manifestations and never doubt the power of your dreams. For this is your time to shine, your time to soar, your time to grow rich beyond your wildest dreams. Embrace it, cherish it, and let the fire of your passion light the way toward a future filled with infinite promise. Go forth with confidence and conviction. The world is yours to shape and mold, and the possibilities are endless for those who dare to dream.